Hi everybody. Today our topic is what is the difference between observer and subscriber. How to one subscriber can subscribe for different or multi observers. Okay. So if you see in this UI, whatever you are seeing the geo plans and the OTT platforms and YouTube channels, those are nothing but the providers. Okay. The providers. See this is the one provider. Okay, this is the one provider and this is also one provider, and whatever you are saying the below, this is the subscriber. I am the subscriber. See here, if you notice here, I am the subscriber. Okay, I am the subscriber, and these are the observers, you can say, providers also you can say. Okay, and what is this one? This is nothing but observables, nothing but it's providing the data right? So observables nothing but the data source. Okay, so all we will see this into the coding part. So here in this topic, how a one subscriber can subscribe multiple observers. Okay, so here I am refreshing the page. So once I am clicking the subscribe, I am taking the, Madan is taking the, here Madan is nothing but the subscriber. He is subscribing to the different plans. Okay, but only one, I am the only the subscriber. Here if you notice here there is no different subscribers. Once I am clicking the subscribe, see I am taking the 349 rupees from this plan, and Netflix, and this plan I am taking from the OTT platforms, and Google developers I am taking from the YouTube channels. So I am subscribing for each and every channel. Okay, so for that internally how we have to do that into the coding part. So before I am showing that into the coding part, see 340, this is, if you notice here, this is nothing but it's a one kind of a observer, and this is also observer, and this is also observer. So first these three arrays which is providing to me. Let me minimize this one. See this geo recharge plans and OTT platforms and YouTube channels is the three different arrays which is indicates this list group. Okay, and next step is I am taking the subscription for each and every plan. So where I am going to use this subscription, I will show you that. And before that I am taking the three observables, so each observable for each plan. Okay, so here in this topic I am explaining to you how to a one subscriber can subscribe different channels. Okay, here different channels in the sense recharge plans, OTT platforms, and YouTube channels list. Okay, and once my application is getting loaded, so each observer sends the data. Okay, each observer sends the data. So whenever a subscriber can subscribe this observable, he can get the data, right? So when it is happening in this UI in a sense, so once you click on the subscribe, he can get the data from these observables. Okay, so if you see the common see I am using the each and every observable, I am using the only one common function. Okay, this is the common function. So this is the responsibility of this common function is it sends the data to the subscriber. Okay, so this is the subscriber. So what subscribe is contained to the event subscriber event. So once you click on that, see what is happening. So first of all, I am subscribing this geo observable. So how I have to subscribing? By using the geo observable which contains to the this list of values, this recharge plans. Okay, so how I am getting these recharge plans? Through the observer. Okay, through the observer I am getting the plans. So once I am subscribing, so whenever you are subscribing, so you are getting the plans, right? So here if you see here, this is the main important here. this dot subscriber, see, which is indicate I am using the only one subscriber, and I am using and I am passing this subscriber to each and every observable. So the difference between, if you notice here, I am having the different observables. See here, Geo observable, OTT observable, and YouTube channels observable, but the subscriber, only one subscriber, I am passing into the this observable. Okay, so multi observables, single subscriber. Okay, but see here, first subscriber passing to the 359 rupees, 349 rupees. I am explicitly, see, I am hard coded, I am passing to this Geo observables, but real time scenarios, you can imagine that you are getting the data from the, like a text box or drop down or any kind of the value or checkbox kind of that. Okay, but right now I am not using any drop down or text box values. I am passing as a value to the this Geo observables, and OTT observables also I am picking the Netflix and explicitly I am passing to the OTT observables. Okay, for when I am going to subscribe this OTT observable, I can get the data, right? Okay, so same way I am passing to the Google developers, to the this YouTube channels observable. So the subscribers, if you see this subscriber function, okay, if you see that subscriber function, I am taking the one array, user choice array. So whatever the data I am getting from this subscriber, so I am taking that data into the, I am taking the data and I am pushing this data into the user choice. Okay, so that user choice I am looping into the UI part. See that the user choice, right? This user choice I am looping, you can see into the UI. So right now I am passing the, I am subscribing, okay, each and every channel by using the only one subscriber. Here just imagine that here the subscriber is Madan. Okay, Madan is subscribing to all of the channels to here once. Okay, so the content of the video is for one subscriber. Okay, one subscriber can subscribe different channels. Okay, so what is the necessity of the subscription, in the sense, if you don't want to if you don't want to this subscription some part of the time, okay, so that time you have to unsubscribe, right? So for that reason only I am using this subscription. Okay, we can write the code without this logic also. Okay, just this is indicating that if you wanted to unsubscribe for a particular time of period, you have to take the subscription. Okay, so each subscription contain to the different observable. So whenever you are writing the subscription, you have to take the unique subscription for the different subscriber. Okay, see, subscriber is contained to the, see, I am passing the only one subscriber. So one subscriber, I am taking the only one subscriber, different observables. Okay, these observables, the responsibility of this observable is here to send the data to the to this subscriber through observer. So what is the responsibility of the observer? Observer, the main point here you have to notice this one only. Okay, this observer is sending the data to the subscriber. When the once the subscriber subscribe this this channel. Okay, so that is the basic content. What is the difference between subscriber and observer? Okay, so whenever you are working in the real-time environment, you have to remember these points. Okay, the first point is you can use the one subscriber, and that subscriber you can send the different channel in the sense observable, as well as a single observable can contain to the different subscribers also. Okay, so this Geo observable also, it can contain to the different subscribers. Okay, not only this subscriber. So right now I am using the only one subscriber. You can see this one. Okay, this subscriber. Okay, now not only this subscriber, you can, a single observable can contain to the different subscribers also. See, okay, see here. Now I am passing this subscriber, right? You can pass another subscriber also, okay, anything. This is also, you can say that, but imagine that this is the I am, and this subscriber is different subscriber. Let's say you are the one kind of a subscriber, okay, but the observable is same, okay. So like this way you have to think. But the thing is, whenever you are doing the work in the real-time scenarios, you have to, first of all, before starting the code, you have to think practically, then only you have to start the code, okay. Thank you so much.